referring to when they say Zulu royal family? This, in my view, bafuna ukumobilize abantu emphakathini eNingizimu Afrika ukuthi kubuka kalongazi ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe party is against the Zulu royal house. 2, is against amakhosi ne royal upper house. 3, the veteran of umkhonto wesizwe are not happy with the manner in which umkhonto wesizwe party led by President Zuma and the National High Command conducts the affairs of umkhonto wesizwe. And they are even threatening the MK party to say, if we're not going to agree, we're going to disband umkhonto wesizwe party. I can tell you for free, this application is not going to stand in terms of ilocal stand. 1, laba bantu abakhuluma lana, they are not members of umkhonto wesizwe party. You can only effectively raise an argument if you are a member. That's number 1. These people might have supported umkhonto wesizwe party the same way the African National Congress, when it was formed in 1912. Ayekhona amakhosi akweseka ukwefonyo kwenhlangano ehlanganisa abantu abamnyama. But lokho akubanika amandla ukuthi uma benolunye uvo mhlawumbe oluhlukile kunovela lithathwa oJohn Dube no Peter Kaseme nabanye sekufuna babe nepower yokudiregister ANC. That cannot happen. It will not happen. Same goes to umkhonto wesizwe party. They are using umkhonto wesizwe veteran, military veteran, ukuze bathole legitimacy enkantolo ongazi uthi bonke abantu abangama veteran omkhonto wesizwe lawyer yawo military wing are supporting this application. They are doing a disservice to umkhonto wesizwe because bafuna ukudivide phakathi ukuthi siyamthanda uZuma but asifunde into eyenzakalayo. And you can tell abantu aba against bona babafake is President Zuma umkhonto wesizwe party, umkhonto wesizwe NPC registered no CIPC, uJabulani Khumalo is a 4th defendant, uZiqu, Credo Madondo and all other respondents. So this application, in my view, ngesizulu ungathola ukuthi banazi ikhalaza banazo lapho nalapho, akekho umuntu ongekaze abe naso isikhalazo ukuthi ayilokhu ayana ngathi ningenza kanje. But there is a white agenda behind this application, and white people are very smart bafowethu. Whenever they see ukuthi the party that is a threat to us as white people in this country is umkhonto wesizwe party, not the EFF, not any other party. They have a way to identify abantu who are not in good terms with ubuholi ngenxa yezenzo zabo. Bese besebenzisa labo bantu ukuthi bavuse izinto ezizinkinga engekho necessary political issues. These people are abusing the office of His Majesty King Msuzulu or the Royal House and Amakos Nenduna to advance political ambitions. And we demand and we require Undunankulu Ubabu Buthelezi, Tracy Buthelezi as an MEC of Kokta in the province of KwaZulu-Natal to issue a statement as Undunankulu to say the royal house that is in the application against umkhonto wesizwe party and other respondents, it's not the royal house that is legitimate that we are leading or under the leadership of His Majesty King Msuzulu. There must be that clarification. But if he's not doing that, it will mean that he himself is involved in this project. Because I think South African Party sees the threat that umkhonto wesizwe has in the province coming 2026 local government elections. So they are threatened as a result so that it can create when people are being infiltrated. It's a fact. You can't be infiltrated and then you subject to multidisciplinary when you have got evidence. Good, this one is a sellout. It cannot be. The way in which the umkhonto wesizwe party runs its affairs is informed by its constitution, which was adopted in September 26, if not 24. Then anyone who speaks about matters which happened before the adoption of the constitution of umkhonto wesizwe party, uyikhulumela olwandle leyo nto ayisho ngeke izilalelwe enkantolo. 1, the local stand. 2, yonke into eyenzekwa before ingaka-adopt i-constitution through i-consultative process nendlela ababenza ngayo into engeke ziyenzeke leyo nto. into ezosebenza into eyenzeke post the adoption of i-constitution. Even that itself, it will require ukuthi kuba abantu abasupportwe i-constitution ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe phathi yo-account emakhosini ukuthi amakhosi athini sahamba kahle yini ayohlala kabili ngonyaka ebuku indlela umkhonto wesizwe owenza ngayo amabhizinisi, not just a bogus application ethi Zulu Royal House. Who are those people? Omntwana umbonisi bala, omntwana Thokozani bala, abantwana abasendlunkulu bonke bakulento bafaka ngisho isilo kulento, which upper house ngifisa sengiyavalelisa
yavayele ngoba ngo4 ngifuna ubuye ngo4.
Okay, fine, sizobuya ngo4 sesizo unpack ke the merits of the application and ukuthi lento ibheke phi. Recently umlungu uthe there is only one political party in South Africa that is a threat to their economy and their interest, that is umkhonto wesizwe party.
Eyokuthi lento isebenza phakathi lemkhontweni kuhambe isikhathi ugcine sekufika la khona umuntu mhlambe ephuma khona usephuma nabantu bakhe. Ingakho nje kubale ukuthi wena iba imember yomkhonto wesizwe, uba umkhonto wesizwe nje ungabi into engaphakathi ezinye einamagama lezi phuma yabo lezo iba umkhonto wesizwe iba simple. Yabona into eshaka kakhulu la emkhontweni engiyibukile, abantu abaningi bayithanda inkundla. Iyona into engiyibonile leyo, abantu abaningi bayithanda inkundla, bayayithanda ikhundla abantu abaningi. Iyo into engiyibone kakhulu leyo. Manje abantu mangabe sebengaphakathi emkhontweni bake bafune something nje abazokwazi ukuthi malokhu nje abazoma ngayo kubona into le. Thola ukuthi umuntu ukhona emkhontweni usefuna nje into nje ngaphakathi azolida kuyo mangabe ebona okay lapha phezulu engathi akugibeleki, angeke ngitry something lapha phansi engizoyenza ukuze ngikwazi ukulida. Sithusha abantu abanjalo emkhontweni. Emkhontweni wonke umuntu uyakuthanda ukulida. Imost yabo nje bathanda ukuba phambili. Mina ngale belief angazi why abanye abantu lomqondo ungabi khona. Bamnxamalala ukhuluma isimanga eForest. Wathi umkhonto wesizwe uphatha sonke siyoba right, sonke siyophumelela. Iyona belief yami nami leyo kumkhonto wesizwe, ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe ukuphatha kwawo sonke siyoba right. Akuzoba right abantu kuphela abakuma position, yabona? Wonke umuntu uzoba right, sizoba right sonke. Isimo sosukuba kanti ngisibe kahle isimo. Nalo believe njalo ngafiki mina. Manje abantu abaningi banomqondo kagogo lo ukuthi kwi-politics umuntu oba right, umuntu okuba kwi-position. Yabona? Lo nto leyo ayive islimaza ngoba yenza singafiki la sifuna ukufika khona. Le nto yena ukuthi singayishayi le ntambo leya ya esifuna ukuyishaya. Uma ngathiwa bonke abantu bangajoyina umkhonto wesizwe bangawujoyinela ama-position, kodwa bajoyina umkhonto wesizwe ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe ngiyubona uyikhaya kumina. Ukuzalwa ebukhosini uma uzalwa ebukhosini awuphendli lutho, uvele wasebukhosini. Yabona? Automatically wasebukhosini umbuso wale ekhaya uya-affecta vele.